treasure. It's a blue car. It's a truck. It's wheel. And we can run on the floor. It's a wheel. It's a toy. It has an engine. Run fast. So each of you can buy this car in the toy store. And windows can go down. There's every car, every truck, every trains, every little trains. You get any car. It has a bucket, so you can carry things. Don't be scared. That other dog got scared of 2 dogs on your birthday.
What's good, y'all? I wanted to make this video very short. Very short. It's like a small message. It's not gonna be very long. I want to talk about the importance of coming out into nature. My bad, it's my little brother screaming back there. But yeah, why it's important to come out in nature. First of all, natural vitamin D. How can you complain about that? You need that. It's essential. And especially from the sun, it's the world's best. Oh, go get it. It's the best and most powerful source of vitamin D and mood booster you could get. I mean, how could the sun not make you feel good? The sun makes me feel amazing. A little tip of advice is try to get outside more. Enjoy the sunlight. Drink some water out here. Walk barefoot in the grass. Enjoy a nice hike. Get some fresh air. It's a great mood booster. It increases productivity. It's just an overall good time. Yo, look at this spot. It's nice out here. So yeah, get out here. 2021. Get out and more. Get out more in nature. It's 2021. You should get out more. Get more in tune with nature and just enjoy life. Message out. You see, told you it was a short video, but message out. Yeah, that's it.